Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The name snooker comes from a comment Chamberlain made about a player who missed a shot. He called him a real snooker, referring to his lack of experience, snooker being a slang term for a first-year cadet. The first official set of rules for snooker were drafted in 1882 at Otakamand in Madras province.
Let's help you make your mark.
Since its humble beginnings, snooker has always been a popular sport in the UK. In recent years, however, the identity of the game has begun to change as its popularity has spread to other countries, the primary being China.
Take our lead.
Billiards is played with 3 balls, white, red and yellow. In snooker, there are 15 red and 6 colored balls and 1 cue ball. The player has to pot a red first, then a color, and again a red, and so on. At the end of the frame the player with more points wins. 14 December 2003.
Let's help you make your mark.
What is the difference between snooker, billiards, pool and side pocket? The main difference is with respect to the number of balls used. In snooker, 22 balls, including the white color striker ball, are used. In pool, there are 9 balls with numbers and stripes printed on them. 1 April 2007.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.